Going to do a vid on how to AC or plug in power a battery only prop. Here we got a little hanging ghost that used 3 AA batteries and it had no place to plug in or power it, and I want to power it off a AC adapter like that, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, how many batteries you got? Like over here I got 3 batteries, would mean each battery provides 1.5 volts, so you would need a 4.5 volt power adapter for 3 batteries. Many props, and especially the Spirit Halloween props, have 4 batteries, or the bigger props have 4 batteries, and they would need a 6 volt adapter. But most of the smaller props like this guy or many of my guys up there, they use 3 batteries, and hence 4.5 volt, 4 batteries, 6 volt. Another thing is which terminal to connect to. If you can see here that this terminal here is a single, it's by itself, it's not connected to this one over here. If you can see here, these 2 terminals have a strip between them, that metal bar between them, and they're connected. And over here it's hard to see, but in there you see the bar, they are connected. And over here, this terminal again is not connected. You can see the plastic, little piece of plastic right there in between at the far ends. So the ones you want to connect to are the 2 single ones that are not connected, which this one, it would be this one and then that one. Also, the one with the spring is going to be ground, so your black wire from your having an old man moment, from your pigtail plug here, your black wire would go to the one with the spring, and your red wire would go to the positive single one over here. What you will need is a female pigtail adapter like here, which I got it written out by my beautiful handwriting wife and beautiful wife. 5.5 millimeter by 2.1 millimeter female, which matches most of the adapters you will see for sale. That's the end of the power adapter that have that. That's a 5.5 meter by 2.1. The most common, and probably 95% of them have that. Over here I also bought a splitter so I can power quite a few animatronics off the same adapter if you want to do that. So you will need a soldering gun and some solder to do this project too. And the first thing I do is solder the red wire there. I don't solder the black here, or it's called tinning when you put solder on the wires first, because the black wire is going to be wrapped around the spring. So if I can get my lovely wife to hold the camera there, I'm going to put some solder on the, if I'm plugged in, which I'm not, on the red wire here. And again, this is called tinning. And if you put the solder on the wire already, that's going to help it adhere to the connection better. Okay, that's it for the tinning there. And then we're going to come over here to this guy, and I'm going to put some solder on this battery connector here, the single one for the positive. Okay, I think I got it there pretty easily, hopefully. And then I'm going to solder the wire to it right quick. And there, we got that one soldered. Now for the black one, which hopefully should be a little easier, I just want to wrap it around through there, and that's why I didn't tin it. got big fingers. Come on. Is there a little screwdriver around somewhere? Yeah, don't see one. That might do it. Turn that way. There we go. I got the wire through and folded down. And now I'm going to see if I can solder that guy right quick. Oh, still, don't go nowhere. Yeah, it fell over. Okay. Must have didn't have this one good because it came off. Let's hit it again. Oh, nope, you're not sticking here. That one looks good. A lot more time. Alright, looks like we're stuck. So now hopefully if we plug it in to the power adapter, and if I did everything right, it comes on. And obviously you can see it's working without batteries. So that'll work on any battery operated animatronic, and all the other functions, the off on and try me and all that, will work just like it had batteries to it. Oh, one last thing. I usually mark the cover or somewhere with what power the animatronic has. Like I got 4.5 volt and 3 AA batteries. It's what it uses. Because if you have some with 2 batteries or 4 batteries and you don't mark it, how would you know with the cover on and all that other stuff? You just don't want to plug that into the wrong adapter or wrong voltage. And also, just to show you the splitter right quick, with the splitter they make ones with 3 and 5 or 10. Probably can only run 3 off that little adapter, but you just plug the splitter into one of the split ends and the mains into the end with the power adapter, and that way you can run multiple off the adapter too. And as you can see, that works too. And last, I'm not going to do it, but I usually cut a slit in one of the corners here so I can get the wires out and still put the cover back on pretty easily. So that's going to be it for my demonstration of the powering up using an AC adapter on a battery operated only prop. Bye.